Hello traders. Welcome back to another video. In this video we will be going over how to use the Trusted Signals Auto Fibonacci. This indicator is an ideal educational tool and guide for new traders looking to practice drawing Fibonacci retracements. The indicator features automatically drawn Fibonacci retracement levels, corresponding labels for each level, price and level, fully customizable levels and lines through user inputs. Fibonacci retracement levels are horizontal lines that indicate the possible support and resistance levels where price could potentially reverse direction. The first thing you should know about the Fibonacci tool is that it works best when the market is trending. The idea is to go long, or buy, on a retracement at a Fibonacci support level when the market is trending up, and to go short, or sell, on a retracement at a Fibonacci resistance level when the market is trending down. Fibonacci retracement levels are considered a predictive technical indicator since they attempt to identify where price may be in the future. The theory is that after price begins a new trend direction, the price will retrace or return partway back to a previous price level before resuming in the direction of its trend. Trusted Signals Auto Fibonacci automatically plots the fib on the chart. Now, let's take a look at some examples of how to apply Fibonacci retracement levels to the currency markets. We can see that this market is trending to the upside, which means we want to look for buy opportunities. We can see price trade to our 0.382 and find some resistance. Price fails to break above this level. We can then see price come to retest this area of support. We see that price fails to break below our 0.236 fib level. Price then breaks above our 0.382 level and comes back to retest this level, giving us a higher high to continue to trend. Price trades to our 0.618 level and finds resistance. Price then comes back to correctively retest our 0.5 level, filling the minor imbalance. Price continues to trade higher, continuing the trend, giving us higher highs and higher lows. Price finds resistance at the 1.38600 level, giving us a triple top on the 30-minute time frame. Price the breaks below our 0.786 fib level and gives us a retest of the neckline to the triple top formation. As you can see, this happens over and over again on all time frames in the market. And with the help of Trusted Signals Auto Fib, you can see the market clearer and understand what the market is currently doing and also what it may do in the future. One thing you should take note of is that price won't always bounce from these levels. They should be looked at as areas of interest. Okay traders, that is all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future strategy and guide videos. Be sure to join the Discord group where we give out signals, hold giveaways, learn, and profit together. All links for Trusted Signals will be in the description below. I will see you in the next video.